honor than honor alone. Pro patria, meaning for country, reminds us, especially at Bongo Radio Philippines, that journalism is not merely a profession. It is public service. It is stewardship of truth. It is a commitment to democracy and to the Filipino people. For more than 6 decades since its founding on July 6, 1966, Bongo Radio Philippines has been a trusted companion of Filipinos in times of triumph, crisis, and change. We have covered elections, land events all over the world, in the Philippines, and during the height of martial law, network was the only provincial station that carried events in Metro Manila to the provinces. Our mission has always been clear: to inform truthfully, report responsibly, and serve fearlessly. That many of our people have died in action. At the heart of this journey is the visionary leadership of Dr. Rogelio